Well, you'd think after yesterday we'd be exhausted and good for our herping for the week, but
nope.
You'd be wrong. We're back at it. But this time we're walking a creek. Lucas already saw a queen, so it's a good sign. This water is so cold. You get used to it eventually, right?
I've never gotten in here without my waders on.
Okay, that's good. Whew, it's been a while since I walked in a creek. Well, we got big rocks like this, which flipping them in a creek is a lot more difficult than flipping them on land. Hey, so he's got himself an SL 200 right there. Heck yeah.
Oh, I'm bleeding.
Well, stop that. This is where he said he saw the queen at, so we'll see. Lucas done got himself a snake.
It's a baby northern.
A little baby northern.
Really baby northern.
He is really pretty.
This had to have just hatched.
Oh, my first northern this year. Always fun. God, look at that.
Oh, look at his
pattern in it.
belly.
He won't cooperate for me too. And that sun. There you go. Wow.
Beautiful patterns.
That is ridiculous. Yeah. Sun is just the worst. There we go. Nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a picture of this guy.
Heck yeah. Nice.
Beautiful little snake. You want a pet?
So we switched it up. Luke's down there checking. I'm walking along here, flipping these things over here, so we're trying to cover every aspect. Plus, walking that creek, I am not dressed appropriately. Alright, so I thought I was keeping pace with Lucas, and then I came back here to the river, and I don't see a Lucas anywhere. I lost Lucas. Oh no, this isn't good. Like, I literally don't see him anywhere down there. Or up that way. He couldn't have passed me that. What? Where'd he go? I don't know where I'm at. Well, I found him. Apparently he's way, way, way up there. Good God, that guy's fast. How the fuck? Well, crap. Alright. I'll figure it out. We'll pick it up when I get back to Lucas. I'm over here at this bridge. And Lucas called me, he's like, where you at? And I'm pretty sure he's at a bridge that's downstream. Not this one. Finally found him. Turns out he was way up there. Should've went to Imes. Good God. Lucas found a green frog. He's up there. He's got to be in there.
Okay, let's move on.
Okay. Well, almost. Well, we found our first DOR, and it's a Decay's brown snake. He did not make it. Dang. So somebody went out of their way to hit him. Dang. That's fresh. That's like this morning.
That sucks.
Well, at least we know we got Decay's. So I was looking like we're gonna move out to a different little spot. It's a little rougher, or not rougher terrain.
Easier terrain.
Easier terrain.
There's a difference.
So I was explaining to Lucas how I'm old and fragile. Oh, there's this, if I angle it right, it looks like you're peeing. I'm a child right now. No, it's apparently where everybody comes to get their water. So it's a natural spring they built, like tubing and everything to come out and feed into this. Just naturally. Which is crazy because in Kentucky it's illegal to collect water like this. But here it's perfectly fine. Like you can't even collect rainwater.
They put a thing over it just so.
Yeah, just so people can do it. But it's cool because like homeless people can come here and, you know, get their water for the week, and it's really, that's nice. Speaking of which, people. That's how we travel in East Tennessee. Oh God. Lucas, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. I'm glad I didn't sit like on the very edge. and I was smart enough to kind of lay down. It's not my first time riding in a tailgate of a vehicle, and I've fallen off a few times. Yeah, I'm not trying to do that today. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is my nightmare. Oh, God. I think Lucas forgot I'm back here already. What the hell are you doing, dude? Holy crap. This being an old check-in station for this train track. And, yeah, that looks, dude, I would not come out here at night. Oh, yeah. It's not too cool, not cool enough to where it's like too cool for snakes, but where it's so hot outside they wanted to thermoregulate, warm up, cool down, warm up, cool down, just go back and forth, destroy all these rodents that come in here, because you know there are some. Hey, perfectly good umbrella. Jessica H. Jessica H, we have found your bag. You left it here. It's a really nice bag. Dude, look at this bag.
Okay, yeah, that is a really nice duffel bag.
That's a really nice duffel bag. Jessica.
You almost
Good.
found the bag.
Found your bag. I'm leaving it here. Now this is what I'm talking about. Look at these. I know. Let's flip it. We found the spine of some unfortunate creature.
As if this place wasn't sketchy enough.
Right, it just gets worse. So we lifted up this rock and it looks like we got 2 of the lead phase zigzags. I think that's what they're called, or they're ravines, I don't know. You guys let me know which of the 2 it is. But they were just right under here.
Yeah, I found a big one of these earlier.
Nice.
It was about 3 times this big. Oh,
there we go. Alright guys, well, let's go onto your rocks again. Go back to burrowing. There you go. Boop. Cool. Alright. We got another one right here under this piece of foam. And we found a massive, did you pick him up? Where'd he go? Oh, a slug.
that looks like a newt.
It looks like a newt. Alright buddy, I'm gonna let you go do your thing. I know, it's okay. Alright guys, well that's gonna do it for today. A little short, sweet, to the point, but we found some stuff. Found a new area, really sketchy. Overall, good productive day. So, I reckon I will see you guys tomorrow. If you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe. Check out one of my videos on either side. And you guys know the spill. I'm gonna go get some food. Oh, it's...
Yeah. Mine was better.
Fail.